In this video, I will show you how to feel your own prana energy and the energy around you, the life force, the ki, the chi. We get this energy from the sun rays, from the food we eat, also from the sun, from the earth, from trees, from water, and from air by breathing, pranayama. But how does this energy feel? This I will teach you in today's video. Did you ever hear about prana, about chi, about energy? There's many people nowadays healing people, pranic healing, reiki. Also the practice of yoga releases all this stuck energy, meditation. When I first learned about prana energy, I watched a series called Dragon Ball. Maybe boys or people in my age, do remember Dragon Ball, Dragon Ball Z, Dragon Ball GT. And I remember there was one episode where Gohan was teaching a girl how to feel the fluidum, he called it, the energy within. And in Dragon Ball you could shoot the energy with the Kamehameha. It was like big lightning came out of the hands. And I always thought it would be nice to know how to feel this energy, how to shoot lightning. I was a small boy, but back then I was maybe 10, 11. I followed the advice Gohan taught in this episode. And he said, connect with yourself, focus on the breath, and then feel the fluidum or the prana, the life force within. And then they were holding their hands, and all of a sudden some ball of lightning manifested. And this girl, she could already feel the energy, she could shoot these energy balls. I will not teach you today how to shoot a big Kamehameha, but right now you can feel the life force. It's so simple. First, make your hands warm, rub them a little bit together. This will help with the magnetic field. Then you push into your palms with your thumb on both sides. And then you hold your hands like this. And you focus on the point where you push now. You can open your eyes, look at your hands on the palms. But better if you close your eyes. And then focus on both points, focus on your palms. The prana moves from the heart center, from the heart chakra, through your hands, especially the fingertips and the middle of your palm. Just focus on both hands. Maybe you feel some tension, some tingling. Just build up. Everything is prana, everything is life force. It's all around you. Through the breath, the sun, the earth, the water. And breathe, focus on the breath. And feel with the exhalation how the energy is moving. It also helps raise the elbows a little bit, to create some space. And just focus on your hands. And now imagine a ball of light between your hands. Just visualize the pranic energy. It's no rocket science. It's not about belief. It's just the laws of nature we tap into today. And now slowly push your hands together. Feel the ball of lightning. Come closer and closer. Don't touch your hands. Just feel the pranic energy building up. And then gently open and push it together. Open up and close. And you will feel a magnetic field. This is the prana around us. Now open up maybe 40, 50 centimeters, and bring the hands back together. And focus on this lightning ball in between your hands. Make it bigger. Open up and close. Open up and close. And try to relax your hands. If there's some tension, just relax. The easier you go, the more relaxed you will be, the more prana you will feel. Okay, hold the hands again together, maybe 10-15 centimeters apart. And make this ball of light bigger, like you hold him with your hands, with your fingertips. And breathe into it. Inhale, focus on your heart center, and exhale, feel the lightning ball get stronger. Now try to push it together. Gently, don't touch your fingers and your hands, but feel the prana inside. It's so clear, so easy. Play with it. Move your hands up and down, move it away. Some people can even see the prana, just opening your eyes. Focus on the point between your hands. Like you look into it, but in the same time you just look through it. It's not so difficult. With this energy you can heal people. If you have toothache or headache, just place it on the spot. You will see immediately relief. Okay, now we take this prana energy and place the palms over our eyes and over our forehead. Just look within yourself. You can also see this energy, even though it's dark. There's some lightning happening, some opening in the third eye center. It's just normal. Now bring your palms on the center between your chest, your heart chakra. And now place them near to your waist, below your navel, and ground yourself. And slowly open your eyes. Can you also feel how everything became more calm, more soft, more gentle? The whole world is spinning differently. Because when we consciously connect with the pranic field, also when you breathe, we breathe prana all the time, but if we consciously breathe, all of a sudden we connect more with the pranic field. All the life force is there, everything you need. There's people living in Himalayas, in the forests. They don't eat, they don't drink, you just live from the prana energy. An apple, or whatever you eat, is just a manifestation of prana. My body is just prana. This camera is also prana. Everything is made of the same energy in different manifestation. So try this practice every day. Get in touch with your pranic energy field, and you will also get much warmer hands. In winter time you're not so cold. When you talk to people, when you touch people, when you work with your hands, You will be much more successful if you are a writer or you play music instruments. It's good to activate the prana in our hands. So important. Some maybe didn't feel that much today. Don't get discouraged. Just do it again tomorrow. But I promise you, this works. I tried this with so many people and everyone can feel the same prana energy. You might say, no, that's not science-based. I don't believe in it. It's just magnetic field. Then I ask you, what is a magnetic field? If you can answer that, please write in the comment section below. Share this wonderful technique with your friends and experience for yourself the power of the life force. All the best. May the force be with you. Namaste.